Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today we're shopping at Burlington in the shoe department. There are so many summer shoes at Burlington that I wanted to share with you. These little fake Birkenstocks with the plastic straps are super cute. And they have so many bright colored flip-flops and Crocs. I love these Fila's. The neon pink is so pretty. I also have navy blue in that. And of course, they always have Tommy Hilfiger. A lot of people try to pronounce it Hilfiger, but it's Hilfiger. And he always has like red, white, and blue clothes and shoes. And I always like that because it kind of seems patriotic. And these glittery slides are super cute. Here's some more Tommy Hilfigers. Some cute Guess flip-flops. Some Champions. Juicy Couture always has super cute shoes. Do you guys remember when Juicy Couture was like really expensive? And it used to only be found like in boutiques and online. And now it's everywhere. Like you can always find it at Ross and Burlington. Look how cute these slides are. And some Hurley slides. Those are cute with the daisies. Sparkly sandals by Juicy Couture. Look how cute these are with the bows. And they're already on red tag clearance. A lot of these shoes I noticed were on red tag clearance, like a lot of the summer shoes. But please don't tell me that they're going to start getting fall in soon. I think it's a little early for that. Look how bright these are. I love that color. And they're 18 and they're on red tag clearance. Some camo, plastic, Birkenstock kind of ish shoes. Look at these. These have been around for a while. And they're 13. They're pretty heavy though. And there's those Fila's again. I might get some of those just because of the color. I love the color. And I like these butterfly shoes by Juicy Couture. They're so cute. And then look how cute these BBs are. Gold and sparkly. So be sure to check out my Burlington shopping video. I have a video where I show the juniors clothes. And I also have a Burlington purse shopping video out. And that should already be out. And so should the Burlington clothes video should already be up. So subscribe if you're new, and thanks for watching.